So how can you make your iPad turn off at a certain time? Let me talk about the possibilities that we have. Let's get started. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe to the Foxtecc channel for more videos and guides like this. So it depends on what you mean. If you mean that the screen just kind of like locks itself after a period of time, you can find it inside of the settings, display, and brightness, and a part of the auto lock. You have the ability to choose the time frame. So we have the 2 minutes all the way to 15 minutes or even a never option, meaning that you can pick from those, and after, let's say, 2 minutes, your iPad will be turned off. So if you mean that after a certain time, then that is what the place where you can manage it. Obviously, it's just going to lock itself, so it's not going to be fully turned off. And if you need something a little bit deeper than that, the only place that could technically make it work would be the Shortcuts app. So you can open up a new shortcut and try to see what would work, right? So you can see that inside of the shortcuts, we can create a new one and have the action to be the shut down this device, right? So we have a shortcut which literally just turns off the iPad. And now if you play it, like, the iPad will be turned off. But what we can do is to set up an automation, and at a specific time of the day, the shortcut of shutting down the iPad is going to be run. So you can go to the automation and set up a new one and choose, for example, the time of the day or when the alarm goes off, right? Like, you can set up a specific alarm and then attach the action to this. So it depends, more options, but let's say I pick the time of the day. I'm going to choose it like this. Set a specific time, tap on the next, and I'm going to pick what happens at that time. And you see that I can choose the shortcut to be the shut down of this device. So I can pick that at this time of the day, the iPad is going to shut it down. And yeah, it's a very specific thing, but it definitely works if you want it to be used in that way. So I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I really hope I was able to assist you with it. Thanks a lot, and I will see you later in the next videos too.